To delete a page in CorelDRAW, you have multiple ways to do that. So assuming I want to delete this page, I'll come to the page, which is page 130 that I duplicated earlier. I'll come to the layout, delete page, and you see it, delete it. It asks me, did I want to delete page? It will ask me inclusive. So if I want to delete plus other ones, let me just select delete only one page that you can see that delete to delete. So let me see. And I want to delete also this blank page, this page 128. The other method is to right click and delete. So this is how to do it. So these are the pages I have. So this is how to delete pages in CorelDRAW. You are welcome. Meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.